Namaste, I'm Archana Pammi. Welcome back to my channel. The next up in the relaxation asanas is known as Makarasana, also called as the crocodile pose. Now, if you are like me, who wondered why some of the asanas are named after animals or birds, it is believed that when the yogic practitioners used to do that long before, they used to admire how these animals used to get into a pose to relax. What better animal to relax than a crocodile? If you have ever seen a crocodile sitting on top of a rock in a riverbed or at the bank of a river and just gazing and soaking in the sunlight. So essentially something that we are going to do is as good as what a crocodile does. And what does it do for us? It helps realign the exact spinal curvature. So because of that, it is very good for people with spondylitis, with anybody who has disc problems or slip disc or even sciatica. And for people like us who function normally with working or doing anything or browsing or everything, a very good posture correction because your spine is aligned back to its original alignment that it is supposed to have. The only caveat being, if you're somebody who has a deep lumbar spine, lumbar curvature, which means you have a very big curve at the back, at the lower back, all the way rising up into your hips, then it might cause a little bit more pain. For me, it used to pain earlier, but now with other asana practices and everything, this is something that I really like to do because it definitely corrects my posture. So there are intensity variations, and I will talk you through that. So you could intensify the alignment, and you could, move your elbows in such a manner. I will show you how it is done to relax your spine. This is again a relaxation asana, so the longer done the better. Minimum of 1 minute is required, and you could do it for 5 or 10 minutes. There's absolutely no time limit on this pose. Something that I often do is in my bed, I often get into this pose and I keep a book and I read it. While I am reading that, I am in this pose. So it is better than even me trying to sit on the bed or sit down and read a book. So that's just something that I thought I'll share. So as it gets started, this is again done prone. So let's get onto our belly. Now, if you have seen the crocodile, there is something which actually supports the head of the crocodile opens up like this. But since we are not going to do anything like that, we're just going to use our elbows. So bring your elbows closer to each other. They don't have to be really touching each other, but just as close as possible. Now, in the cusp, in the cup shape formed by your palms, just rest your head. That's it. You're now a crocodile. So, how do you increase the intensity or lower the intensity? The more close your elbows are, your neck is stretched, so you can keep your elbows a little bit wider if you want to relax your neck and if you're feeling too much of an intense pain there. Remember, this is a relaxation pose and not an active pose. And if you keep your elbows further, the arch of your back also will reduce. So find what works best for you. Try it a couple of times, adjust it back, adjust it closer. Find what works best for you and then stay there. Breathing. Now, one of the way to stay in focus here is to align the breath movement along the spinal cord. So as you inhale, bring your awareness from the tailbone all the way to the neck, and as you exhale, from the neck all the way to the tailbone. Inhale from the tailbone through the lumbar, lower back, thoracic, upper back, clavicular, back of the neck, and as you exhale, from the back of the neck to the upper back and then the lower back to the hips. Inhale, exhale. I like to close my eyes here and just relax. Now, slowly releasing from the pose. Before you get up, just rest your head on the palms, just like we did in Jastakasana. Take, take a couple of breaths here. And then slowly rise and sit up. So that was Makarasana, crocodile pose. Uh, you have no idea how my back feels right now. It feels so happy that it is realigned just for 2 minutes. Doing it for 5-10 minutes helps in absolute posture correction and beneficial for those with sciatica and stiff neck and spondylitis to relax themselves. Hope this was helpful. Namaste.